Good morning, guys. As you can see, I just showered. I have my eye patches on, my nails are done, and I have lashes on. That's because I'm going on a trip and we're going to Palm Springs because I'm part of a I'm part of a wedding. I'm a bridesmaid and we're going to Palm Springs for the Bachelorette trip and we're leaving today. And last night I put on these lashes and I did my nails. These are press-ons and these are falscara. But how do you girls keep these messes on? Because like these are already coming off and like I can already feel these wobbling. So if you have any ideas, please comment it down below. And I have to finish up, well, I have to upload the girls podcast. I finished it up on Wednesday, which was perfect because that episode is so long. If you haven't watched it, we play like who knows each other better. And we have whiteboards. It's so much fun, so you guys have to watch it. But right now I'm gonna make some coffee and maybe like a little panito so I can enjoy my coffee. So let's get into it. I've just been making black coffee. Like I have not been in the mood for sweet coffee lately. It might change on this trip, but when I'm at home, I just crave black coffee. Like black coffee and a peanut butter sandwich. Like that's all I ever want for breakfast. It's so weird because usually I want like a really tasty sweet latte, but I don't know what's in the air because it's still hot coffee. It's not that it's iced. Maybe I OD'd with the espresso. Like I would have like 2 double shots a day. I think I just overdid it. Yeah, so I'm gonna make myself a keto peanut butter sandwich. Love these, love these. Taking these on the trip. Also, gonna take my Fiber One 70 calorie brownies and my protein shakes. They're called Nuri. They're from Sam's Club. They're so good. I'm probably gonna take like all the essentials. Finishing up editing the girls podcast, but now I'm doing I did skincare, now I'm doing makeup. Using this Smashbox palette.
This is so mean. This is mean. I don't care about my nose anymore. You're on the girls podcast right now.
Put the mic up to the phone. Okay, now I'm gonna be putting my makeup in here. I just finished doing my makeup, uploading the girls podcast right now, and I'll just show you like a little rundown of like what makeup is going in this baggie. Moisturizer, I'm using a lot of new stuff today. Okay, this Benefit moisturizer going in here. I like to start off with like skincare, and like one sleeve. This JLo bronzer booster thing. It's really good. I really like it. So it's going in here. One size setting spray. I've been using the Benefit, the ColourPop, the Morphe. This one is so good. This is honestly the best one. This one and the Morphe one. Finished my Morphe one, so I don't have that. But I'm gonna take this one too because I don't want to overuse my one size. So I'm taking this one also. I'm taking Armani foundation for when we go to dinner, and then this regular Maybelline. Such a good foundation. Wearing it right now. I love it. I'm gonna take this ColourPop foundation stick because when I go to the pool, I want to have some coverage on my face. This is the primer that I'm using right now. Milk one. So good, so good. This eyeshadow shine, so good, so good. Rare Beauty blush, so good, so good. Contour, old contour from ColourPop, such a great contour. Summer Friday lip, YSL lip. I use these powders, these Morphe powders, such good powders. This one size highlighter, great highlighter. This Benefit bronzer and this Morphe palette, great shimmers in here. Blush, I have the Rare Beauty and the REM. REM is all around blush. This one only goes in like here because it's really strong. This Benefit translucent, such a great translucent. Oh, this concealer, Fenty concealer. I bashed it in the beginning, but it is a great concealer. I'm taking it. Now let's move on to pens and brushes. This Benefit brow wax. It's like the color of your brows. It's great. A little goes a long way, so be careful with that. Eyeliner, REM, this really great lip liner from ColourPop. Benefit lip tint, such a great lip tint. We're gonna take this eyelash curler. Everything that I used, I like put it to the side and then I'm making sure I'm taking it with me. So these are the brushes. All these brow stuff, like brow gel, brow pens, etc, etc. I think that's it for skin. I hope I'm not missing anything because I know that's frustrating when you're there and you're like, crap, this is what I was missing. We're just gonna put this away. And here I have like big stuff, like big So like a face mask, this one size removes all your makeup, so good. The shimmer, bunch of sunscreen, lotion from First Aid, it smells like a peach. Rubber bands, hair ties, bobby pins. This is like where all the big stuff is going. And this is my friend Paula. She has this brand. It's such a cute little bag and it fits so much. And let's see, makeup bag that I'm taking in my purse. And I have my Rhode blush, bucket blush, my Stargirl lip oil, such a good lip oil, more Benetint. More lip liners. These are like my to-go lip liners. Great lip liners. The Rhode and the ColourPop. And then I have another Rhode. And then I have the Stargirl Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. You always need a matte liquid lipstick with you. This is such a great one. It's literally the color of this. I'm not even joking. It's a great one. And this is my to-go makeup. Kind of the same, just instead of regular mocha, it's white mocha. What did you get again? Oh, just stick it in there. Here you go. Banana matcha.
Raspberry mocha. It's different. It definitely tastes like raspberry mocha.
I don't like that.
I didn't like it the first sip either, but I like it.
Okay, so I'm done packing. I'm just kind of cleaning around the room now because we're having guests over and I'm so sad because I love hosting. Like I feel like hosting runs in my family's veins, but I won't be here to host. Matt's family's coming over and I'm so sad because I wanted to spend time with them and have like a summer weekend or whatever. But they're gonna be here while I'm gone, so I'm setting up the house. I have blankets, towels, shampoos, conditioners, soaps, toothpaste, toothbrushes, everything for them ready to go so that they could get here and they can wind down. I got an air mattress, but I'm cleaning because I'm not even the best cleaner, but I just want it to be organized. And it's not even that clean because like last week I cleaned like everything and then today I'm like, okay, I'm just tidying up. So I'm putting things away. I'm like cramming everything in my room right now. It looks so messy. Just like all the boxes and all the trash, like not trash, but like all the supplies or whatever, it's going in my room. And I'm gonna close this door and I'm gonna lock it. So, and on top of that, packing makes your room look even more messy. So I have my matcha here. This is a banana matcha. It's different than what I usually get. I am a espresso girl. And I don't really like sweet coffee all that much, so this is the only thing that I'll drink that is sweet like this from this coffee shop called Trio. So now I put on this suit from Romwe. It's just this little, they're actually pajamas, but it's like this cute mustard yellow and it has some suns here. I thought it was perfect for Palm Springs and just the vibes. I think I'm gonna wear some Reeboks, just have this gold jewelry on. I'm gonna fix my makeup. And we're gonna leave in like 10 minutes, but let me show you the bags that I have. From Sam's Club, the boots fell out. It has like all hygiene stuff. And then I have a suitcase right here. And then I'm gonna hold on to this hat because it's cowgirl themed, Cowboy Carter themed. This already looks really good with this outfit. And then a denim jacket because it's denim cowboy themed, so denim jacket. And then this foam finger party. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna head out. I fixed my nails. They keep coming off, so I'm gonna keep this in the front with me. It has the glue for the nails and the glue for the lashes. So I think that's it. I'm gonna take this fake Prada bag. I wanted to take the Louis Vuitton one, but if we're going to bars and stuff like that, I want something close to me, not something like this. And that one has a really weird handle and it's so flashy and it's so big and it's just girls, so I'm not gonna do that. But I'm considering taking my computer. I'm not too sure, so we'll see about that. But this is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!